is formed by A. Cervical canal plus right. The wall of uterus is made up of layers of tissue. Right. External thin membranous layer of uterus is known as A. Pleura. Right. Thick muscular layer of muscle constitutes middle layer of uterus. A. Smooth. Right. What is indicated by A in the figure? A. Yolk sac. B. Embryo. C. Right. What does A represent in the figure? A. Right. What does D represent in the figure? A. Embryo. B. Umbilical cord. Right. What does B represent in the figure? A. Cavity of uterus. Right. Which layer of uterus undergoes cyclic changes during menstrual cycle? A. Right. The layer of uterine tissues responsible for strong contraction. Right. Of the following statements, which one is true for mons pubis? A. It is the region of pubic hair growth found in females as well as males. B. It is a cushion. Right. Clitoris lies at the junction of A. Labia majora. B. Labia minora. C. Mons. Right. The clitoris is a tiny shaped structure which lies above the urethral opening. A. Flagellated. B. Finger-like. C. Bean-shaped. Wrong. The only statement correct about hymen is A. It is an opening of cervix. B. It is a reliable indicator of virginity. C. It is always torn after first coitus. D. It can be broken by a sudden fall or jolt, insertion of vaginal tampon, cycling, etc. Right. Cluster of cells in mammary lobes is known as A. Mammary duct. B. Right.
Neet